Okay, so I am going to show you how to make your little Cartesian diver. If you've been in class, then you've seen this thing in action, but now I'm going to show you how to make it, okay? So the things that you're going to need is the water bottle that you brought. You're going to need to be near one of these like big beakers of water, tape, scissors, 2 hex nuts, so 2 of these little silver things, and then 1 dropper, okay? So here's what you're going to do. First thing you need to do, you're going to start building your little diver or the little thing that's inside of it, okay? You're going to take one of these droppers, make sure it's the one with the really skinny little body, and you are going to put 2 of these hex nuts over the like skinny part, okay? So you just thread it on there. When you have that, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a small piece of tape, maybe only an inch, so not very big at all, and you're going to wrap it around just below the hex nut. The goal is to make it thick enough so that they won't slide down, okay? So this is what you have. This is what it should look like. You have a piece of tape, 2 hex nuts, and then like the top of it. You're going to take a pair of scissors, and you're going to cut, it's not an exact science, but about an inch is left right here, okay? So you have like the mechanics of it. Now we have to kind of adjust it. So we have this little, we're going to call it a bath, full of just regular water, okay? And when you put it in, you'll notice that it kind of bops up pretty high. So our goal is to suck up water so that it just barely is along the top of that thing, okay? It is possible to get too much water in here and it sinks. And if that's the case, you need to pick it up and undo it, okay? Your goal is to get it so it's just right about here, just barely at the top of the water level. So the next thing you'll do is your water bottle, you should fill it up so it is at the very tip top of the bottle. You don't want to have any extra space filled with air. It just needs to be all water. So you'll put your diver, you'll take it out of here, you won't squeeze out the water, and you'll literally just transfer it right into there. So again, it's floating just near the top, okay? And then you're going to cap it and make sure it's on really tight. And then you can kind of use that to explore your little guy and watch him move up and down. Again, your goal is to figure out how or what is happening that allows him to move up and down like that, okay? If you put him in here and he sinks to the bottom, he's dead, and you're gonna have to dump out your water bottle and start all over again. But your goal is in the next like 15, 20 minutes of time that you have to work on this to get a functioning diver.